Well everyone, Ben here back with another video for you. This is another part to the tractor tour series. In today's video I'll be doing our neighbour 7840 that I do drive, the Massey Ferguson 265 and the New Holland T5. So yeah. So when you're in the cab, you have your steering, your dash, your lights, and more lights down here, your key, your window wiper, your hazards there. You know what the hell that other button is. Doesn't be used anyway. You have your clutch then there, your brakes, and your foot throttle. Then over here you have your hand throttle, your forward and your back, your shuttle. Then you have your gears, so it's back here it's up to 4, then up there it goes to 5, and then that goes up to 8. Then that's the high-low box. Then over here you have all your adjustments for your lift, your 4-wheel drive and your diff and your PTO. Then you have your 3 hydraulic spools here, and now this switch here controls the lift. It was redirected to that switch. Then up here you have your radio and your heater system. So yeah, that's the 7840. So as you can see, the 7840 also is kitted out with LED lights, front headlights, work lights, all that on the front and the back.
Rest in the West, see some nice breasts in the West, smoke some nice sets in the West. Y'all niggas is a mess, thinking I won't stop. Giving LA props. All I got is beef with those that violate me. I shall annihilate thee. Case closed, suitcase filled with clothes, linens and things. I'll begin things. People start to flash. 818, 213.
So yeah, now next will either be the T5 or the 265. I don't know which, but you'll know in about 1 second. So yeah, let's go. So next we have the 265. So first of all, on the outside we have LED headlight bulbs in the front, stainless steel straight pipe, badly needed, LED bulbs in the parking lights, and that's all new lights there, and on the back, and a spotlight here. If you click the button on the back, it comes on, and click it again, goes off. So once you open your door, you get in. We have radio, your steering, your revs, your temperature gauge, your diesel, your key, your pull stop. There's a heater in this, but I have to get it fixed up yet. That's the only thing in that's not working. And there's the switch for the lights, your 2 indicators over and back. You have your gears, 4-speed, high and low box, brake, clutch, brake, foot throttle. Then over here we have hydraulics. So this one here works the lift, and this one here works the hydraulics. But we have it that if you twist this knob here, if that's straight up, you can just work off this, your normal lift, and these won't work. Then you twist it to the side and you put this down into constant pumping, and then these work. And that's it for the lift. You put it back normal then. Then you've got side window. Window wiper does work. Then here you have your toolbox, and this is the PTO lever. That's it on and that's it off. Your two doors, that's how they open and close. And you have one mirror.
Holes at Roscoe's. If I want a spurter, take her to Fat Burger. Spend about a week on Venice Beach. Sip a Frisco with some freaks from Frisco. I'm going back to Cali. I'm going back.
So that's the 265. We'll get on to the T5 next. So next we have the T5, as you can see.
I got to choose the coast, I got to choose the east. I live out there, so don't go there. But that don't mean a nigga can't rest in the west. Sleeping like the rest in the west. Smoke some nice sex in the west. Y'all niggas is a mess, thinking I won't stop. Giving LA props. All I got is beef with those that violate me. I shall annihilate me. Case closed, suitcase filled.
So once you're inside, you have your passenger seat. Up here you have your battery isolator. This like changes the speed of the shuttle. There's your front window wiper, your back window wiper. I haven't a clue what that is, but sure, never use it either. So your side windows and all. As you can see, there's good mirrors on it anyway. Then you have your sunroof up there. Then you press in that and you can pull down your steering. So you have your shuttle, it goes back, and then to put in a neutral you have to press in that button, forward, press in that button. Then here you have your lights and your indicators, your steering, and then you have your dash. That tells you your shuttle, your PTO speed, your revs, your temperature, your diesel. Shuttle you have 1, 2, 3, 4 high and low. Your hand throttle. This is your splitter, like you have low, medium, high. This, if you lift this up, if you pull that back, it lifts the lift up the whole way. And when it's down like that, it keeps it so you're not lifting the hitch every time, putting the tractor under pressure. That's the lift there. Then you have your 3 spools, PTO, 2 USB ports, your 4-wheel drive and your diff, and then all your different PTO speeds. Then you have this for letting down the hitch, which you pull up and pull to yourself. Then over here you have your heater, you have all your lights. There, that switch there is them 2 lights above the parking lights. Then you have your beacon switch and your radio. And then here you can pull this down if the sun's coming in at you. Then on the outside you have your diesel tank and your toolbox. There's no AdBlue in this, thank God.
Going back to Cali. I'm going back to Cali.
So, I hope you all enjoyed today's video. I'm gonna try and be posting more again now. But yeah, we'll see anyway. I'll keep motoring. And I'll talk cheap in the next video.
One more chance, I'll be whipping on the freeway, the NYC way, on the celly with my homeboy Lance. Fast ass from left to right, only got 5 months left tonight. Set tonight, where the bitches at the Versace store. Said she suck until I ain't got no more, only in LA.